Hey guys, this is Bryce with Deep Blue Trading. In this video, I'll be going over MetaTrader 4 for Android and iPhones. You can download MetaTrader 4 by searching for it in your respective app stores. So once you've downloaded it and installed it, go ahead and open it. And the first thing you're going to see is this option to create a new account. First, we're going to open up a demo account, and then I'll show you how to connect to your broker using MT4. So go ahead and click Open a Personal Demo Account. And since we're margin trading crypto, we're going to use the broker JAFX. Click JAFX Demo 3 and adjust your deposit to 3,000 unless you're trading more than that, just because it'll kind of help you get in the mindset of trading smaller amounts. This is just the lowest it will let us do with the demo account. Go ahead and create it. Once you're finished creating it, you'll be presented with a list of pairs, or these are Forex pairs and crypto pairs. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and add all of the pairs that we're looking at trading. So click the plus here at the top, go to cryptos, and we're going to add everything except for EDO, SAN, and one other one. So ETP is the other one we're not going to add. Go ahead and add all these because these are pairs that we watch. Once you're finished, click the back button twice, and now you can see all the pairs that we have. So for each pair, right now I'm looking at Zcash down here, ZEC BTC. For each pair, you're going to see the name of the pair, you're going to see the spread, and the bid and ask prices. So these blue and red flashing numbers, these are the differences between the bid, or the amount that most buyers are willing to pay, and the ask. So that's the difference between the bid and the ask, is the spread. You can think of it as the price you're paying for margin trading, pretty much. So you just pay attention to how the spread changes based on each pair. We're going to have a spreadsheet in the trade room that gives you a better idea of how much money it costs for each little increment, which we call a pip in Forex. It varies quite a bit through cryptos, so you'll have to kind of test it out using your demo account to figure out how much money you're risking with each trade that you're placing. So I'll explain that a little bit better in the next few tabs. So this is the quotes tab. From this page, you can actually open up the chart of the pair, or you can start a new order. You can also do that from the trades tab and the chart tab. So next thing is the chart tab. We can see any chart that we'd like to for any of the pairs we're trading. Right here we have Zcash, the 1 hour chart. If you'd like to change the time frame, you can click this clock up here, or you can just tap on the screen. So we're going to go ahead and switch that to daily, and this gives us a nice overview of the pair. If you'd like to change the currency, then click on the $sign and just click on the pair you'd like to change to. Now we're looking at Bitcoin. The most important thing you'll want to use on this page is this new button here at the top right. This will let you make a new order on this pair. You can also do the same thing from the trades tab. So pretty easy to access. So let's go ahead and make a new order on Bitcoin, and I'll also go over the trade types. First thing you'll see is the trade type. So there's market execution, and the other ones you want to know are buy limit and sell limit. Market execution allows you to place a trade at the current market price. So those two numbers in the red right there, those are the numbers that represent the bid and the ask. And that's where we're going to place our trade. So if we place a buy, it's going to buy around 8,910. The next row down under market execution is the lot size. So the most important thing to know about this is just that as you increase the lot size, you're increasing the amount of money that you're risking on each trade. And that's what you want to learn for yourself, is how much money each of these represents for each pair. And that's something we can help with a spreadsheet. But since you're just starting out, I would say just start with 0.01 and work your way up as you grow your account. And this is the only number that we're not going to give you in the trade room. because this is different depending on your account size. Under those red numbers are two boxes. The first one underlined in red, that's your stop loss, and the one in green is your take profit. So let's say we'd like to buy Bitcoin right now. And once we buy it, if it gets to 9,000, then we want to go ahead and take our profits and sell back to USD. But also, if for some reason it goes under 8,800, we want to exit our trade. Now this is just an example. That's all we need to fill in, these numbers we're going to give you. So this is take profit and stop loss. So let's go ahead and click buy. We just opened an order to buy Bitcoin at the current price. And it starts in the negative because of the spread. So this is basically the price you're paying for margin trading these pairs. If you just click on the trade, you can see more information about it, like the date it was open, the stop loss, the take profit, and your commission. Up here at the top, you can see your balance and your equity. Your equity is your balance minus or plus whatever the amount that you've earned or lost from the trades that are open. So if I were to close this Bitcoin trade right now, I would then have $2,997 in my account. So I'm going to go ahead and close this trade, and you can see how it gives us a confirmation, or it gives us the opportunity to confirm that we want to close with the loss. And this is our new account balance. If you'd like to see your past trades, you can click on the account history down here. And you can sort by currency, you can sort by time, by profit, and by date. So the most important screen that you're going to want to learn is this order screen, because this is where you're going to be entering in the numbers that we give you. Let me go over the other order types too. So let's say that we don't want to buy Bitcoin right now, but if it dips down to say 8,000, then we'd like to buy it. That's what we use a buy limit for. And if we do a sell limit, then that's we're basically saying we want to sell Bitcoin if it gets up to this price. So let's say we'd like to sell it if it gets up to 9,000. We're going to be giving you that number if we ever do limit orders in the trade room. And then again, you've got your take profit and stop loss. If you'd like to get rid of them, you can just zero out these fields. And that's all you need to know. So those are the three orders you should be concerned with. The most often one, the one we'll use most often is market execution. So that's pretty much it for a demo account. Here's the chart view. We've got the trades and the account history. These other tabs you won't use. These are news and some kind of chat. And then just know that you can add and remove pairs through this quote screen. If you'd like to log into a different account, just click on the menu and click Manage Accounts. Right here I have a few small accounts that I've set up to trade on my phone. So you can have multiple accounts at once in MT4. So let's say I want to connect to my other account. I can just click on it and say sign in. And now I'm signed in. I can it's also good to know that each account has a separate list of pairs. So you'll have to add pairs twice if you have a demo and a real account. So let's say you've made an account on JAFX by just registering on their site, jafx.com. We're going to have another tutorial to show you how to do this. But once you set that up, it's going to give you a login ID and a password. And that's all you're going to need in order to connect MT4. It's pretty simple. So click log into an existing account here at the bottom. And now we're going to search for JAFX and click Real, JFX Real 3. Put in your login and your password and you'll be in. So that's all you need to do to set up your account. Once you put in your credentials, it'll show up here at the top and say Real on the side. And now you're trading real money. So that's the only difference between the demo and the real accounts. And that's it for MetaTrader 4. Let us know if you have any more questions or anything else you'd like us to go over. And just remember that the only thing that you'll need to be changing, or the only thing you'll need to come up with yourself, are these lot sizes. And this all depends on the amount that you have in your account. It also depends on your risk management strategy. So those are different topics, but this will be the most important screen. Just remember that. Remember that you can see your open trades here and you can manage them all from here. All right, good luck trading, and I'll see you guys in the trade room.